If you think farm life's boring, watch this.
Hey, don't do that shit in front of me. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on your children, baby.
Honestly, like, I love her, but she's kind of a problem. No, and I hope that she's okay, and I felt super bad, but I'm also like,
And I love her, but like,
I love her, but she is an attention whore.
The wind's blowing so strong. Dumpling, you so big and tough, you scared of some bubbles? Look at mama. You have bubbles on your nose.
Go.
Calm down. What is that?
I start hitting you, bro.
Oh my god, get him!
Get out, Cortez.
You actually picked that up? No, I didn't, but I think she loves me.